Hi students, myself D.K. Narale, working as an assistant professor in Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. Today going to discuss about the BSc 2 semester 3 and 4 chemistry practical. Inorganic chemistry experiment 2, total volumetric experiment 2. First experiment is fertilizer analysis and second experiment is alkali content of antacid tablet. Experiment number 2, alkali content of antacid tablet. Aim of this experiment is to determine alkali content of antacid tablet using HCl solution, that is antacid tablet contain EMG and Al aluminum. In this experiment, calculate antacid tablet contain how much amount of the EMG in the given antacid tablet provided. Apparatus of this experiment is required: burette 10 ml pipette, conical flask, funnel, retort stand, sandbath 100 ml volumetric flask, etc. Chemical for this experiment is required: 1 normal HCl, 0.1 normal standard solution, methyl red indicator, or also phenolphthalein indicator, antacid tablet, distilled water. Theory of this experiment: antacid tablet contain sodium bicarbonate, magnesium hydroxide, magnesium carbonate, aluminum hydroxide, which are utilized to neutralize the acid in the stomach when required. Alkali content of antacid tablet is determined by preparing the suitable solution of antacid tablet and titrate it with the standard solution of HCl. Thus, it is simply acidimetry. Alternatively, the determination of may be carried out by dissolving the definite weight of the tablet in measuring quantity of HCl and back titration with the standard alkali. Here we will follow this alternative method. Procedure for the preparation of antacid tablet solution: make the powder of antacid tablet by crushing in the mortar pestle. Weigh out accurately 0.100 gram of the tablet powder on a watch glass. Transfer this weight of sample antacid tablet. Transfer in clean conical flask with the minimum quantity of water. Dissolve it in 250 ml conical flask by using funnel. Wash the watch glass with the little distilled water and transfer all the washing in the same flask. Then add 10 ml of 1 normal HCl to dissolve the tablet powder. Warm in if necessary to neutralize the alkali content of tablet. Cool and transfer all the solution as well as washing of the flask to 100 ml volumetric flask. Make the volume 100 ml with the distilled water up to mark of the volumetric flask and shake well. This prepared sample is the antacid tablet solution. Back titration: fill the burette with the 0.1 normal standard NaOH solution by taking usual precautions. Titrate 10 ml of the above diluted solution, that is the antacid tablet solution, pipette out 10 ml and titrate against the 0.1 normal NaOH solution using methyl red indicator. The end point will be red to yellow, or use phenolphthalein indicator where color change will be the colorless to pink. Take 3 reading and note down the constant burette reading, that is the CBR says XML or cm cube. Blank titration without antacid tablet. Dilute 10 ml of 1 normal HCl solution to 100 ml with distilled water in volumetric flask and shake well. titrate 10 ml of diluted solution against 0.1 normal NaOH solution from the burette using methyl red indicator or phenolphthalein. The methyl red indicator shows observation yellow to pink, red, and phenolphthalein indicator shows colorless to pink. Take 3 reading and note down the constant burette reading CBR says YML or cm cube. After addition of indicator methyl red indicator, the solution will be yellow color, and the addition of 1 normal NaOH endpoint titration is red color. Observation of this experiment. First observation, weight of watch glass is equal to W1 gram is equal to 18.130 gram. Second, weight of watch glass plus tablet powder is equal to W gram 18.130 plus 0.100 is equal to 18.230 gram. Weight of fertilizer sample is equal to W2 minus W1 is equal to 0.100 gram. Observation table of the for back titration. Observation burette reading CBR. Final reading is the 8.1, 8.2 and 8.1, and difference between initial and final is 8.1, 8.2 and 8.1. That is the CBR constant burette reading is 8.2 ml. Second observation table for the blank titration. Observation burette reading CBR ml. Final level, that is the reading of burette reading is 10.1, 10.1 and 10.2, and difference between initial and final 10.1, 10.1 and 10.2. That is then the difference constant burette reading is the 10.1. That is these two readings are the constant, that's why 10.1 is constant burette. Calculation of this experiment, the difference between blank minus back, that is y minus x ml, gives the amount of HCl in terms of 0.1 normal NaOH consumed or required to neutralize the alkali content of antacid tablet in 10 ml diluted solution. Total amount of HCl in terms of 0.1 normal NaOH solution consumed by W gram of antacid tablet powder is equal to 10 into y minus x ml is equal to 10 into 10.1 minus 8.1 is equal to 2 ml. Sorry, 20 ml. We have 1000 ml 1 normal NaOH is equal to 40 gram of NaOH alkali. 10 into y minus ml of 0.1 normal NaOH is equal to 10 into y minus x into 0.1 into 40 divided by 1000 into 1 is equal to 80 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.08 gram of the Z gram of the NaOH. Now W gram of antacid tablet is equal to 0.08 gram of Z gram is equal to Z gram of NaOH alkali content. 100 gram of antacid tablet is equal to 100 into Z into divided by 0.100 is equal to 100 into 0.08 divided by 0.100 is equal to 80 gram of NaOH. That is percentage of alkali content is equal to 80%. Result of this experiment, the percentage of alkali content in the antacid tablet is 80%, that is equal to 80 gram of antacid tablet. Thank you for listening and watching.